Welcome to the latest edition of Immunology Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Mabwell announced that the FDA cleared the IND application for 9MW5211, a novel depleting antibody targeting pathogenic immune cells in autoimmune disease. The company also reported that China's NMPA accepted filings for inflammatory bowel disease and multiple sclerosis. The development highlights continued investment in next-generation immune-targeted therapies for autoimmune conditions. Bristol Myers Squibb received European Commission approval for Sotyktu, or deucravacitinib, for adults with active psoriatic arthritis who had inadequate response or intolerance to prior DMARD therapy. The oral TYK2 inhibitor was evaluated in the POETIC PSA-1 and PSA-2 studies and adds another targeted oral therapy option within the evolving psoriatic arthritis treatment landscape. Artiva Biotherapeutics reported positive initial clinical data for AlloNK, also known as AB101, combined with rituximab across multiple autoimmune diseases, including rheumatoid arthritis, Sjogren disease, and systemic sclerosis. In refractory rheumatoid arthritis patients, the company reported 71% ACR50 responses with 6-month follow-up in its Phase 2A basket study. Artiva also announced FDA alignment to initiate a Phase 3 registrational trial in rheumatoid arthritis. Johnson & Johnson presented Phase 2B duet study results for JNJ-4804, a co-antibody designed to target both IL-23 and TNF pathways in inflammatory bowel disease. The company reported higher clinical and endoscopic outcomes compared with golimumab and guselkumab in refractory ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease subgroups, supporting advancement into Phase 3 development. Regeneron provided an update on its Phase 3 melanoma trial, evaluating fianlimab plus cemiplimab in first-line unresectable or metastatic melanoma. The combination failed to achieve statistical significance on progression-free survival compared with pembrolizumab monotherapy, representing a setback for the LAG-3 and PD-1 combination strategy in melanoma. Fate Therapeutics announced that RECLAIM-LN, its planned Phase 2 potentially registrational trial evaluating FT819 in refractory moderate to severe systemic lupus erythematosus with lupus nephritis, remains on schedule to initiate in the second half of 2026. FT819 is an off-the-shelf CD19 CAR T-cell therapy derived from induced pluripotent stem cells. Create Medicines announced completion of a $122 million Series B financing round to advance its in vivo CAR T and immune programming platform across autoimmune disease and oncology. Funding will support development of CRT402 and broader mRNA LNP-enabled immune programming programs. Liberate Bio presented new preclinical data supporting LIB820, an in vivo CAR-M program designed to program monocytes and macrophages using LNP-delivered mRNA targeting CD19. The company reported selective myeloid programming and peripheral B-cell depletion data, supporting future clinical development in autoimmune disease. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.